I want to bring something to your attention. The pitch is C sharp, 1.5. They are singing 1.5 top. I am singing 1.5 bass. So I start at a disadvantage, straight. It's very difficult to sing 1.5 top. And the sound she gets, both of them, all of them get at 1.5 top is quite incredible. So you have to first recognize there is, just in the tonal quality, there is a huge difference between what we do and what they do because of the context of our music being very, very different. You should also know that there was a time when classical musicians were, so-called classical musicians, were all singing at high pitches. The reason was this device was not existent. So therefore, we had to sing at higher pitches to be audible. The microphone actually lowered our pitches, and then we have this idea of masculine voice and feminine voice. So this idea itself is a new 20th century creation. So in 1930s, everybody sounded feminine. So I'm just bringing that to your notice because that changes the perception of what a man's voice is while singing or a woman's voice is while singing. It's a very different thing. The microphone has kind of changed the dynamics. It's not similar to what happens in the West. Here, it's a very different set of equations that come together.
I said even at the beginning of the program that when we have Sri T.M. Krishna, we are not just in for music because we have a scholar in our midst. And every little nugget of information that comes our way makes our music experience so much more enjoyable. ಅದರ ಅನುಭವನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಎತ್ತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಈ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹಾಡೇನಿದೆ, ಭಾರತಂಗಿ ಗತ್ತರಿಗೆಗೆ ಬಾ. It is in fact a voice of the older sister that we hear. ಅಕ್ಕನ ಧ್ವನಿಯನ್ನ, दीदी की पुकार, बड़ी बहन की पुकार आप कह सकते हैं. Now, Shubha in the beginning told us stories about the Jogappa community, and this evening we shall learn more and more as the evening progresses. The Jogappa is regarded to be caught or chosen by the goddess. It is believed that this possession transforms a boy into a girl, the man into a woman. Gaining the attention of the goddess is seen alternatively as a blessing and as a curse. The association with the goddess grants Jogappas a religious sanction for their identity through the goddess's possession of them, and they're considered sacred women. They gain Yellama's powers to heal, to grant wishes, and so on. But the song that we will now hear is of an older sister who calls her younger sibling, Tangiyanna karita idale, and says, let us visit goddess Bhagamma of Gettagiri in Afzalpura. It's also called Afjalpura, and that is what you will hear in the song. The goddess is powerful, and she answers the litanies and the petitions of the devotees. So now, let's hear the song, Bharatangi Gattarigige Ba. Sarvaswarupe 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 Sarveshe Sarvaswarupe Sarveshe Sarvashakti Samanvite Sarvaswarupe Sarveshe Sarvashakti Samanvite Bhayebhyastrauhino Devi Bhayebhyastrahino Devi Bhayebhyastrahino Devi 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 Durge Devi Durge Devi Durge
ದುರ್ಗೆ ದುರ್ಗೆ ದೇವಿ ದೇವಿ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ